potential is what I thought this toy saxophone had, but I later found out the only sound it makes is this. But nothing is written in stone, so make sure to stick around and see how I give it the potential it needed. Adding cotton balls to limit airflow, cutting the end of a balloon and putting the balloon over the speaker so it would be protected. Adding the speaker to the toy saxophone, then adding glue to hold it in place. Putting masking tape over the speaker, then I'm gonna finish it off with electrical tape. Next, I'm going to glue the saxophone on top of the amplifier using hot glue. After that, I'm going to wire the speaker to the amplifier, then add the battery, and that's the completed transformation. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in another video. Please consider subscribing. Here's a bonus song.